Hello everyone and welcome to a very special TMR Tours 360 tour of the Saratoga tree houses.
That's right, we're here for an in-depth look at what to expect if you book this resort and stay in one of the tree houses up in the sky.
So feel free to click and look around anywhere in this 360. Right off to the side here, right off the bat, there's a grill if you want to do some grilling or any sort of cookery while you're here. But now let's go up these stairs and kind of show you around. Now one thing to note is there's plenty of lights down here on the path as well as going up these stairs. So at night you don't have to worry about tripping, falling, slipping. They have the rough strips as well to give you some traction. And then as you get up here, of course, you have like a porch deck, some nice seating, bench area as well, and just a nice viewing area as well of the Florida landscape, trees, etc.
And if you click around, you might be able to see some of the other tree houses around us, but you might not. It is pretty secluded.
So right now, as we're stationary, there's one right through the trees there, one over there, one behind us, but again, as far as visibility, you're pretty secluded. That one you can see clearly, but again, you got enough tree coverage that you feel like you're kind of alone. It's one of the most secluded resorts areas you can find.
And if you're not thinking you can do any of those steps to get up, don't worry. There are a couple handicap accessible tree houses that you can visit too.
Now turning that way towards the door, we're going to go straight in. Stacy's going to handle this for us. And now I'll get to the center so you can kind of just peruse at your leisure 360 degrees. So obviously right here you have your seating, nice hardwood table, like rough wood table almost, bench, seats, as well as a breakfast nook here where you can have bench seating, bar, sink, and of course a little galley kitchen, which again is full of various amenities. I'm going to come in here now. So in these cupboards as well, you can see you have cups, you have dishes, you have pitchers, you have forks looking down.
There's even grilling equipment.
And this one you have other spatulas and spoons. So look around now, you can see how fully stocked this kitchen is. You got a lot of things if you want to cook, if you want to make breakfast, if you want to entertain friends. So if you and a bunch of family members or friends book corresponding vacations and you want to invite them over to enjoy a dinner here at the treehouse, you have everything you need to make a nice home-cooked meal. And that is one thing we do enjoy about these tree houses, is it has that move-in ready quality that you would want kind of if you were just trying to do a getaway. You know, it doesn't feel like a resort. So now looking here at the counter as well, you have your coffee maker, toaster. You have down here actually a
dishwasher.
Yeah, so if you want to do some dishes, again, if you cook that meal, no one wants to do extra work on vacation, but if you're doing something special for the kids and family.
Or if you just have a few.
It's a dishpan. Under the sink you have the garbage. Of course, freezer, fridge. You can grab some stuff at Publix or Wawa, bring it over here, and just be ready to have a nice evening. So going a little further here, we're going to go into the guest area. We have a guest room right here, which I'll center myself again so you can kind of look around. You have the closet with some extra pillows and blankets because the couch and chair in that communal room are pullouts. So we'll get to that in a minute. Lots of drawer storage. These are very deep drawers. You have your power outlets and USB. Some nice rough wood lamps. You have these amazing wooden like headboards, reading lights that you can switch on and off, drawers on the end table, and just a lot of storage possibilities. Of course, there's a fan on the ceiling in just about every room, again, to help with acclimation. So now we're going to go around the corner if you want to straighten out and come this way. In here you have washer, dryer.
And they do give you laundry detergent. That's if you would like to or need to do a few loads of laundry while you're here, so you don't have to pack as much. And this tucks away.
Behind doors, almost like its own closet.
And then right next to it is your secondary bathroom.
We'll go in here now so you can see. Nice hooks on the door for towels, whatever you need, swimsuits. And then here in the bathroom, as you can see, sink with this amazing faucet feature. In this drawer you have your hair dryer, makeup mirror, some shelving under the mirror for your toiletries or anything you might need. An amazing little shower seat that is, not in every resort, but that is a nice little addition. You have the individual soaps, and then of course the rain shower, toilet, etc. So plenty of towels, plenty of things.
This is a pretty standard Disney bathroom, and again, this is the secondary bathroom.
So this is for the guest room and the kids, which we're going to go there now. So come on this way. We're going to go see the kids room.
Right this way, down the hallway, right off of the living room, is the kids' room. We call it the kids' room because there are bunk beds.
Which again, if you're coming with a bunch of family, friends, you could have teenagers in there, you could have college kids in there. Again, it's not necessarily kids specific, but great individual beds if you don't have couples or what have you. Again, going in, lots of storage in the dresser here as well. 6 drawers to choose from. In the kids' room, you only have the one outlet with USB, but then again, if you're in here, they might not have as many devices as you do. You have, again, some of these nice lamp fixtures that, again, I'm just really digging the hardwoods and the wood tones. It's very Lost Boys, Ewoks, Adventure in the Forest, Pete Nelson, Treehouse Masters.
And again, in here, you can enjoy these full floor-to-ceiling windows to take in all of that nature around you. Last note of the feature of this room is that in the closet,
you have not only a hamper for the laundry, but a crib.
yeah, the rollaway crib, if you need that for your family.
So as you can see, bunk beds, that nice ladder on the end. You have some corner shelving over there as well for more storage, whether you have books, book bags, etc. And just like all the other rooms, amazing little domed light fixtures. Again, back in the kitchen, as we said earlier, you got the full fridge, toaster, all the things you could need. And now here I'll give you a look at this main seating area. And again, nice table with the hardwood, the TV running with the idle screen as usual, DVD player with more of those outlets.
This treehouse sleeps up to 9 people, and you may think, oh, we only have the master to go. How do you get 9 people in here? This room is how. This couch is a pull-out couch.
And so is this chair, as I said, in the other room. So if you're looking for the sheets or pillows to go with these, they're in the closet in the spare room. So one thing I do want to say is housekeeping will come check on you throughout the day, make sure that you have everything you need, as well as maybe take any garbage if you've had garbage accumulate.
So let's go in and check out that master bedroom and bathroom.
Yes. We'll go around the corner, and I'll give you another spot where you can kind of just look around. As you can see, coming into this room, is this almost armoire, drawer storage, table, again with 2 of those outlets with USBs, some hooks, a nice chair, these nice rustic lamps, another kind of drawer space that's 4 drawers. Each of the end tables also have those outlets with USB, so plenty of plug-in space here as well, because this as well has 2 plugs with USB. So this room alone has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugs with USB. Plenty of room to plug in phones, tablets, laptops, etc.
They've also carried the vaulted ceiling into this room, so it does make it feel very, very spacious. The desk is a great place if you need to do a little bit of work if you've brought a laptop or anything.
those beautiful views out into the wilderness. Again, just a nice, spacious stay. So now let's go this way. We'll show you the closet and then head into that bathroom.
This room, already spacious, does also have its own closet with the luggage rack.
Tall mirror right here so you can make sure you're dressed, ready to go. Get your last look before you go to the park. Of course, this door, again, more hanging for towels, etc.
This is one of the most unique bathrooms I've ever experienced on Disney property.
True.
What makes it super unique is not just that it has kind of its own little spaces, is that the shower and the tub are all in one.
So now going into this shower bathtub dual situation, you have a seat as well as the nice rock finished floor, both the rainfall water head as well as the handheld, and then a jacuzzi tub with another one of those amazing little faucet fixtures. So everything you can need. Of course, the soaps and shampoos and the individual, they're not quite fixed to the wall just yet. But again, everything you'll need between washcloths, towels, shower, etc.
Not a double sink, but definitely a double vanity.
And then of course you have your water closet, toilet, etc. So anything and everything fully accessible and again, spacious, move-in ready. Just come in and get ready to have a good time, because whether you want to make food, entertain guests, have a large family, grandma, grandpa, the kids, etc., this is a great place where you all can come together, gather, and have a unique Disney stay that might not be just like Pop Century or All Star or even something like Coronado or New Orleans French Quarter. It's a very, very unique stay.
Definitely for somebody who wants a more homey kind of experience.
Exactly. So we'll walk this way right back to the living quarters, and just a few last notes here. To get into the treehouse area, you do need that Magic Band. It is gated, so if you have guests coming, you want to make sure to scan them in or meet them at the gate one way or the other. They have to be on the treehouse account to be able to work that gate.
Exactly. And because you are kind of in this own little treehouse area, you may have noticed there is no pool, but there is a pool for all treehouse guests. So a pool centrally located that anybody can enjoy.
Yeah, so similar to DVC pools, it is a quiet, secluded pool that you won't have overrun by hundreds of other resort guests. One thing that makes Saratoga very different than any other resort, it is very close, in fact, adjacent to Disney Springs. So staying here at the tree houses, again, if you're looking for some of that nightlife, Disney Springs is right around the corner. You can have a good time, and then again, bring the family back here for that secluded, relaxed night stay. Well, that's it, guys. The tour, 360 all around this amazing treehouse resort. If you want to stay here, go log on to Disney on the app, see when it's available, and of course, you and your family could be having a treehouse getaway sooner than you think.
We hope you enjoyed this 360 look at this amazing place to stay here on Disney property that even you might not have heard of.
So we'll see you again on another TMR Tours from Walt Disney World and other theme parks around the world. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Stacy.
And this has been a look at the Treehouse Villas here at Saratoga Springs. See you on the next one.